Here's a really weird one. Epic Games, they bought a mall. Epic Games decided to buy an old, suffering mall. You know how often we cover... I have some weird attraction to urban decay. I have some weird attraction to abandoned malls. There's something just weirdly engaging about that content. It's all over YouTube. Like, people will tour an abandoned mall. I can't be the only one. There's something about all the promise, and I don't know. And then there's also the part of it which is just being alone in a mall, which obviously never happened in your life for any reason. And this is an opportunity to really explore a vast indoor landscape. And they're all a little bit unique. They all had their own unique kind of touches. Anyways, around the United States, the mall as we know it is closing down. And obviously COVID has accelerated that process. It's not what it used to be. And Epic Games has decided to buy up the Cary Town Center in order to move its headquarters. This will be its new headquarters. Epic plans to turn the mall into a 980,000 square foot global headquarters by 2024, canceling plans last year for a mix of office, retail, and residential spaces, which was, I guess, another proposal for the space. The announcement hasn't been completely met positively. Some citizens of the region had hoped for
like a revival of
or some space that they could utilize, seeing as how it used to represent a hub for the community. The original plan was for 1.2 million square feet of office space in 7 buildings, 360 square feet of retail, 1,800 residential units, a hotel, and 10 acres of parks. There was another proposal that IKEA would take over the mall, but they backed out of that. So, look, I don't know. It's one of those things where, you would love it to be utilized in such a fashion that can benefit the community. However, the question is, that's such a cool photo with the pink and the teal. It's so dated, but still in good shape. Anyway, Will's showing me pictures of abandoned malls right now, so I'm about to go completely off track if I don't keep this on the rails right now.
Okay, yeah.
But anyway, look, if Epic is in your town, then I presume they're hiring people, and it can be good for business. And then the other businesses you can start near their business. You can have a little coffee shop. You can have a bike store. You can have so there's that benefit to it. But I understand that there's going to be some nostalgia associated with it having been a public space. I mean, it's a private building, but like public hangout, and then turning into a global headquarters for a giant company. But it's just interesting. We were all sitting around thinking about, or we've been talking about, what are we going to do with all these abandoned malls? Here's one example. At least they're going to make something out of it.